It was you, wasn't it? You were bitten out there.
And what makes you so sure about that?
Everyone else that was caught in horde was killed except you.
Excuse me? Where were you when we got swarmed by that horde? How do I know it wasn't you that got bitten?
I was trying to escape.
Oh, were you now? Then show me your arm.
What?
If you're telling the truth, you have no problem showing me your arm.
I don't have anything to prove to you. And if you're so sure about this arm thing, then show me yours.
Fine. See? Perfectly healthy. Show me yours.
See? Nothing.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
I'm sorry I ever doubted you.
No, I'm sorry.
Son of a bitch.